Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty making from Naio Nails. In this video, I'm going to do a checkerboard design. We're going to do a bit of sugaring. Yes, alright, I have done a lot of sugaring stuff lately, but I'm really liking it at the minute. I think it's because it's snowing. But anyway, just roll with me. It's a cool technique. So I have Serious Black. That is going to be my base colour. You can do this the other way round if you want to, but I'm doing it this way. I'm going to do 2 coats of Serious Black. Now with the Urban Graffiti top coat, so it's a nice and smooth shiny surface. I'm going to take a little bit of the Snow White, pop it onto a bit of the backing paper from a sculpting form. Then what we're going to do is make little markings of where we're actually going to lay the squares. So that will be one square. And you're going to come across, so this will be white, this will be white, this will be white. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to create my first white square. Get rid of that bit of fluff. Always getting attacked by a bit of fluff. And I'm going to continue to do this with all my squares all the way up the nail. Once you've got all your squares down, I'm going to add a little bit more gel just to get a little bit more coverage. And then what I've done here is I've mixed white acrylic powder with some gorgeous glitter. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to make it snow. Let it snow all over the nail.
Upset so many people now because you just waste all
just
that.
Wasted all of that.
So many people complaining.
Sorry. Save a bit in there. Just tap it, take off the excess. Then we're going to pop that into the lamp. Right, so once that is cured, I am going to dust. Dusty, dusty, dust. Let's just get that bit off there. Can I just spot out? Can I just let you know how perfectly placed those squares are to fit the size of that nail? Now the only way I did that was by doing those little dots.
Planning prevents performance.
Poor performance.
Prior planning prevents poor performance.
Yeah, so I planned out the squares and look at that. It's perfect. Shall we have a game of drafts? Or a game of chess?
It reminds me of a Formula 1 flag.
Oh yeah.
Just very camp because it's a bit sparkly, you know.
Well, yes, love it. Okay, well guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Everything I've used today will be listed below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Yes, I have 2 broken nails. You don't need to tell me. Oh,
I've got some
to
chocolate if
say.
you want some chocolate. Want some chocolate?
Yeah. I could ever say no to chocolate.
You can have your last bit of chocolate.
Oh, I don't want that.
Go on, just eat it all.
No, I don't want that.
Oh, I need it all.
I'll just have half of it, so you can have the other half.
You have all next.
Chocolate. Red chocolate. Maybe we should do strawberries dipped in chocolate on a nail.